Say action word.
Action.
Oh, it's you guys. You caught me unprepared. That's you, Lillian. Okay. We're going to do a Japanese unpackaging. We're not going to do completely violent. Here, Lillian. So, get that line. We have a packaging. This side. Lily, this side. We've got different types of packaging here. Wow. We really need some happy packaging. And we also have some more marshmallows. We have normal marshmallows and we have the jumbo stuff. Normal marshmallows. Like strawberry marshmallows and Lily, stop it. And normal marshmallows.